Welcome to our channel. This is Techie Rig. Today, Vivo S6 5G unboxing and first look. Vivo's that mid-range 5G device. This device really worth to buy. Everything review in this video. Vivo's first 5G device named Vivo X30 Pro. It's overpriced. Second one, Vivo C6 5G. It's good specs phone, but it's come with LCD screen, so no one like to buy. Now this time, this S6 comes with AMOLED screen, under display fingerprint scanner, quad camera setup with 5G device. First look at the box. Box bottom side is nothing and back side some barcodes and specifications here, and right side branding and Euro 2020 branding, also left side same branding and Euro. First open the box. Okay, cool. Inside of the box, front side mobile phone and some mobile accessories here. First look the paper sheet. One more paper sheet here in box front side. Vivo S6 5G name tag here. And the sheet back side SIM ejecting tool inserted. Then more AC adapter. This AC adapter support 18 watts fast charging. More type C cable as well as is normal. Then mobile phone. I am later look deep. More inside TPU case here. It's not a hard case, but its quality it's not bad. Anyways, we will give you free case inside the box. More some paperwork's only here. Okay, it's a normal setup, nothing different compared to other devices. Let's look the phone first. First look the phone display. It's 6.44 inches Full HD plus resolution AMOLED display with support under display fingerprint scanner. Display top side water drop notch here, notch inside 32 megapixel front facing camera here. This device running on Android 10 based in FunTouch OS 10. Most of the people hate Vivo phones only one reason, FunTouch OS look like different and same iPhone style. But now this time FunTouch OS 10 look like normal Android devices, navigation settings, everything same in normal Android devices. Display refresh rate. It's only supports 60 Hz, not a 90 Hz and 120 Hz. Otherwise, display quality is good. Let's look the camera setup. Main camera 48 megapixel, secondary 8 megapixel ultra wide, third one 2 megapixel macro, fourth one 2 megapixel depth sensor. Camera design is changed. Last model come with diamond pattern, but now this time it's circle pattern. Look like same OnePlus 7T and Redmi K30 Pro. Anyways, it's looking not bad. Right side power button and volume rocker keys here. On phone top side 3.5mm jack. Good news, Vivo not remove 3.5mm jack. Phone weight. It's only 80 grams on net weight, but in hand feel it's not heavy and not bulky. It's cool. Phone back made in plastic, not a glass, but look like glass. One more thing, this back cover finishing it's really amazing because in hand feeling it's really cool and amazing. Phone processor come with Samsung new Exynos 980 with 5G processor. It's not a bad processor, but compared to Snapdragon and Kirin, it's little bit downgraded processor. Anyway, this processor consumer score 3,33,000. It's average. Okay, let's look the 32 megapixel front facing sample. It's auto shot and quality it's not bad. It's edge detection, color quality is really amazing. And one more shot, yeah, its quality is good. Okay, this is the night time. I'm take this shot. It's not bad. It's without flash only night mode shot. Okay, overall, my opinion, I'm using this device only 10 to 12 hours. In and feeling is really amazing. Exynos 980 work well good.